Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates with unique characteristics. They walk, jump, or move on their hind limbs, while their front limbs have evolved into wings, allowing most to soar through the sky. While all birds trace their origins back to carnivorous bipedal dinosaurs from the Jurassic period, their evolution has given rise to over 1,000 species. Despite their vast numbers, many birds remain hidden from view in nature. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the most incredible birds in the world, showcasing some you may never have seen before. Number 10. The Great Curassow. The Great Curassow, or northern peacock, is a strikingly large bird that can grow up to 92 centimeter tall and weigh between 3 to 5 kilograms. Recognized by its unique curly feather crest, it lives in pairs or small groups of up to 7 individuals, providing mutual protection against predators. This bird's diet consists of fruits, tubers, seeds, tender shoots, crustaceans, snails, and even small vertebrates like amphibians and reptiles. Due to its terrestrial habits, the Great Curassow plays a significant role in seed dispersal, helping to enhance germination by depositing seeds directly onto the ground. Number 9. The Malachite kingfisher. The stunning Malachite kingfisher, measuring about 13 centimeters in length, is typically found among reeds and other aquatic vegetation. This small yet impressive bird is often seen perched just above the water, where it waits for prey to pass below. It maintains an upright posture, with its tail pointing downward, before diving into the water to catch fish, aquatic insects, and crustaceans. Its graceful hunting technique and vibrant plumage make it a sight to behold in its natural habitat. Number 8. The Kakapo. Native to New Zealand, this nocturnal bird is the largest parrot species in existence and the only parrot that cannot fly. Despite its inability to take to the skies, the kakapo is one of the longest living birds, surviving the threats of invasive species and deforestation, while many flying parrots went extinct. With males reaching up to 60 centimeters in length and weighing between 3 to 4 kilograms, kakapos are large, squat parrots. Notably, they breed only once every 10 years. Number 7. The umbrella bird. The umbrella bird is a remarkable species endemic to the rainforests of South and Central America. With 3 similar species, Amazon, Pacific, and red-necked umbrella birds, this striking bird stands nearly 50 centimeters tall and is found in the isolated regions of western Colombia and Ecuador. The males feature a unique bag-like structure on their neck, covered in feather-like scales, which inflates during the mating season to attract females, accompanied by a grunt-like sound. These fascinating birds feast on worms, fruits, and berries, skillfully gathering food as they fly among the treetops. Number 6. The Andean cock of the rock. Renowned for their breathtaking plumage and vibrant courtship displays, the Andean cock of the rock is undoubtedly one of the most spectacular birds in the world. There are 2 recognized species, both inhabiting mountainous regions of northern South America. The Andean species spans the Andes from Venezuela to Bolivia, while the Guayana species lives in the ancient eroded mountains east of the Andes and north of the Amazon River. Primarily fruit eaters, the Andean cock of the rock play a crucial role in seed dispersal, as they often swallow whole seeds, which remain intact and can germinate after being excreted or regurgitated far from the parent trees. Number 5. The Nyctibius. The Nyctibius is commonly known by the name of ghost bird, lesser stickbird, or common staker, belongs to the Nyctibidae family, which consists of 7 species. Found in parts of Central and South America, from Nicaragua to northern Argentina, this fascinating bird is best spotted at night when its striking yellow eyes reflect light. It's also identified by its haunting, persistent cry, resembling a human lament. Close relatives of nightjars, the Nyctibius are nocturnal insectivores, diving from high perches to catch prey, while during the day they rest majestically on tree trunks. Number 4. The bird of paradise. The greater bird of paradise, or emerald paradise bird, is native to the forests of southwest New Guinea and the Aru Islands in Indonesia. Reaching up to 43 centimeters in length, these birds primarily feed on fruits, seeds, and insects. Once hunted for their spectacular feathers, which were coveted in Europe and America during the 19th and 20th centuries, they are now a protected species, no longer at risk of extinction. Their vibrant plumage and fascinating courtship behaviors continue to capture the imagination of birdwatchers worldwide. Number 3. The marvelous spatuletail. The wonderful hummingbird, or spatula hummingbird, is a striking species endemic to the Utcubamba River basin in northern Peru. Measuring up to 15 centimeters in length, this hummingbird is known for its vivid colors and unique tail feathers. Males possess 2 long outer tail feathers that cross each other and end in large disc-like spatulas that can move independently. These distinctive feathers play a key role in courtship displays, giving the wonderful hummingbird a magical, otherworldly appearance. Its rarity and stunning beauty make it one of the most captivating birds in the world. Number 2. The resplendent quetzal. Renowned as one of the most beautiful birds on the American continent, the Mesoamerican quetzal is famous for its brilliant emerald green plumage. These magnificent birds feed on a variety of fruits, including wild avocados, as well as berries, tadpoles, frogs, snails, small lizards, and insects. The males are particularly striking, with tail feathers that can grow up to 90 centimeters in length. Revered by ancient civilizations as a deity, the quetzal's long, vibrant feathers were used in ceremonial adornments. Despite being stripped of their feathers, the birds were never killed, as they were considered sacred. Today, the quetzal's population has significantly dwindled, and it is now a protected species. Number 1. The greater lophorina. The superb bird of paradise, found in the tropical rainforests of New Guinea, is a remarkable sight. Measuring around 26 centimeters in length, the males are adorned in black feathers with an iridescent green crown, complemented by a stunning blue and green shield on their chest and a velvety black cape on their back. The species is known for its extremely low female population, leading to intense male competition and the development of one of the most complex and mesmerizing courtship displays in the avian world. With their vibrant plumage, the males arch their feathers, revealing striking features that seem to appear magically, creating an unforgettable visual spectacle. At this dazzling display, females are irresistibly drawn to the males, falling under their captivating spell. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe so you won't miss any future content.